Tim with Rescue Methods, and we're back with another installment of Methods Moments. And today I want to take an opportunity to kind of talk a little bit about the Mercedes Textiles KrakenEXO line of hose. And what I have in front of me here are two rolls of their KrakenEXO line. This happens to be 2-inch hose with the FDNY spec 2.5-inch coupling on it. And the KrakenEXO line in general offers a lot of advantages. First and foremost is reduction in friction loss. The Mertec lining process and the way that it's bonded to the inner liner really helps to reduce the friction loss of the water traveling through the hose line. So what that means to us as an end user is lower overall engine discharge pressures or higher flows at the same engine pressures. You know, I want to be on an engine company. I want to be flexible, functional, and disciplined. And so the ability to stretch and stretch well, the ability to move the hose line well, and to deploy that line without it developing a large number and significant kinks are all important components. And additionally, the EXO line itself, we talked about the Mertec lining process. It comes in a wide range of colors. It's very, the color is very durable. It seems to last. The hose wears well. They have the patented way out coupling, which is recessed kind of into the shank of the coupling. As you can see, it's got a reflective arrow that directs you back towards the water source or the engine. The construction of the coupling itself is strong. They've got these recessed areas where they can laser etch or create labeling systems for you to help track your hose. The shank of the coupling is it's a nice rounded shank. It's not squared off. You're not which will help reduce the likelihood of it getting caught. If you look on the male side of this coupling in particular, they've kind of flanged this outer area outside of the threads to help protect that coupling. Obviously, with a larger coupling on a smaller hose line, coupling wear can be an issue. It's going to get banged around a lot, and so that little wear ring helps to decrease the likelihood that you're going to do significant damage to the threads. And also the backside of the lugs on the shank here are also cut down as well to decrease the likelihood that it's going to get caught on something. One of the benefits of the FDNY spec 2-inch with the 2.5-inch coupling is, you might be wondering, why would they do that? Well, what we have found is significantly higher flows from our 2-inch product than other products we might have been using. So I have recorded flows through our 2-inch of up to 350 gallons per minute. So, you know, normally we would think of, in terms of flow of that size, a much larger line. But in this case, we're getting those flows without a significant increase in friction loss. Now, I can't tell you per se how FDNY is deploying this, but the 2.5-inch coupling gives you the flexibility of maybe using this in a residential high-rise application or a residential high-rise that might be sprinklered. You can make standpipe connections. You can also add it to maybe the last length of a high-rise complement of hose, where you might have 2 lengths of 2.5, and your last length would be this 2-inch with the FDNY spec 2.5-inch couplings. And really what that would give you is the flexibility of being able to have a line that's a little bit easier to manage in terms of movement, but you're getting comparable flows when you look at 2-inch and 2.5 side by side. This hose also obviously comes in a wide range of sizes. You can get it in 1 3/4. I believe you can also get it in 1.5 inches and 2.5 for certain. So check out RescueMethods.com, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.